This doesn't move, and it's supposed to.
The clock looks great, except for the pendulum isn't working. The sound works. That looks adorable. Lights work great. Crooked. I'm disappointed that the pendulum isn't working because that's the whole point of it, right? We've had it, the battery's on it, so the time is definitely working. If anybody has any troubleshooting ideas, please let me know. Thanks.